If you're tired of side hustles that require you to post every day, build a personal brand, and create content forever, listen closely. This one doesn't. No daily posting, no filming your life, no dancing, no followers, no hope the algorithm is nice to me. Digital real estate, or rank and rent, is a content-free business model because you're not trying to get attention. You're capturing intent. Here's what I mean. People are already going to Google every day and typing things like roof repair in Mesa, tree service in Boulder, spray foam insulation in Flagstaff, junk removal near me. Those aren't entertainment searches. They're buyer searches. That person wants help now and they're looking for a business to call. So instead of creating content for strangers to like you build a simple local website that shows up for those exact searches. And today, you can build it with AI. So you don't need to code, you don't need design skills, and you don't need to be techie. You're not building a massive site. You're building a focused site around one service in one city. Then something important happens. When that site starts producing calls and quote requests, you don't run ads and you don't chase sponsors. You rent the leads to a local business owner who wants more customers. And here's why this is so easy to sell. Contractors and business owners don't wake up thinking, I need more content. They wake up thinking, I need more booked jobs and more customers. So you're not pitching marketing theory. You're offering outcomes. Now let's make the money part simple. Imagine a fence company nets about $6,000 profit per job. If your site generates 40 leads in a month and they close even 8 of them, that's 8 new fence installs. That's roughly $48,000 in net profit. In that situation, paying you $1,500 a month to keep the leads coming is a no-brainer, because compared to their other options, your offer becomes the obvious choice. Most local businesses are used to 2 frustrating options. Option A, pay an agency $3,000, $6,000 a month and hope they perform. Option B, spend thousands on ads and still deal with junk leads, rising costs, and constant management. Then you show up with option C, a simple lead rental agreement for a flat monthly fee based on results. Lower risk, clear value, direct ROI. That's why they say yes. But I need to warn you about the one mistake that causes people to fail. It's not the website. It's not AI. It's not SEO being dead. It's skipping the only step that determines whether your site gets calls or gets ignored. Picking the right niche and city and keyword plan. Most people guess. They pick a random niche, choose a city that's too competitive, target keywords nobody searches, and then wonder why nothing happens. So I made a digital goldmine starter kit to remove the guesswork. It shows you how to pick a niche that actually converts, how to pick a city you can win in, how to choose keywords that indicate someone is ready to hire, and what to do first, step by step. If you want it, comment KIT and I'll send the link to download for free. And save this video, because the upfront plan is the difference between building a digital asset that pays monthly or wasting weeks building something that never produces a single call.